वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए। Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So welcome to my IGTV. God, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe, staying home. Please घर रहो. Important नहीं है तो बाहर मत निकलो. It's very very risky. Okay, so I'm so sorry for not posting anything on Wednesday. I'm shooting this on Wednesday and मुझे पता है कि मैं edit नहीं कर पाऊंगी because of what I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling sleepy little bit because मैं पूरी रात सोई नहीं हूँ, so इसीलिए मैं कोई commitment नहीं दिया इसलिए. So okay, जिसके लिए हो वो start करते हैं क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा रैंट करने लग गई हूँ मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही फ्रैंक हो गई हूँ अब से. सो आई जस्ट फील लाइक आई टॉकिंग टू यू गाइज सो मच. सो अगर इंस्टाग्राम फॉलो नहीं करते हो तो अभी जाके करो बिकॉज आई रैंट लाइक दिस ऑल द टाइम. आई टॉक टू यू गाइज लाइक माई फ्रेंड्स, सो यू बेटर गो एंड फॉलो मी राइट देयर. ओके, सो by the title you can see that what today's video is all about. So basically I really want to do a video like a drugstore video, but I really wanted like a twist and like these titles were like little old school, I would say. Like I have seen a lot of YouTubers when I was learning makeup, when I was watching makeup on YouTube. I've seen so many people doing this ki we have to just find some products that literally are better than high-end products. Okay, I'm a sort of person who have a majority of the products are drugstore. I don't think there is a need to splurge on high-end products if a dupe is available with that quality with a lesser price, because that's a win-win situation. Please do let me know if you want like a dupe series or something like that. Comment down below. Okay, so ये चीज़ें या तो मैंने ट्राई करी है या तो मैंने रिसर्च करी है, थोड़ी बहुत नहीं बोलूँगी, थोड़ी बहुत करी है. सो यस, ये सिर्फ बेस का होगा. आईज और लिप्स के लिए आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट वन सून. सो ये अगर इसमें ही इंक्लूड करती तो बहुत बड़ी हो जाती. मैं वैसे ही इतना बोल रही हूँ और वो बड़ी होती जाती एंड यू डोंट वांट दैट. चलो अब लेट्स ग्रैब अ स्नैक एंड वीडियो में चलो. ओके, सो आ गए हैं आप सब. क्या हो गया ना मेरे को यूट्यूब से मैं ज्यादा ही बोलने लगी हूँ बहुत. लाइक वो इंस्टाग्राम वाले कहेंगे वहां पे रोती रहती है, मूड ऑफ है, ब्रेक डाउन हो रहा है, और यहाँ पे हंस रही है. टुडे आई एम फीलिंग मच बेटर, बहुत अच्छा फील कर रही हूँ. आई नो फ्रॉम पास्ट 3-4 months past from 3-4 days I was not feeling well, but अब हम अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं. सो नजर नहीं लगाएंगे, टच वुड. चलो अब स्टार्ट करते हैं प्रोडक्ट से. इन नो पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर बेस का मैं बस स्टार्ट कर दूंगी. सो जो फर्स्ट चीज मुझे दिख रही है इज मेबेलिन न्यूयॉर्क सुपरस्टे फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. पहली बात, मैं मैट फाउंडेशन की फैन नहीं हूँ. दूसरी बात, मैं फुल कवरेज की भी फैन नहीं हूँ. बट this foundation just made me fall in love with matte foundation, full coverage foundations. इसको यूज करने के बाद I literally want to try some matte foundations, some full coverage foundations available in the market. मैं इसको किसी से कंपेयर नहीं करूंगी अपनी कलेक्शन में because I don't own much matte foundation. I have couple of them. So ये बहुत लोग हुडा ब्यूटी से कंपेयर करते हैं, हुडा ब्यूटी फॉक्स फिल्टर फाउंडेशन. एंड आई नो हुडा ब्यूटी के लिए बहुत वो हुडा क्यों बोल रही हूँ, हुडा ब्यूटी. तो आई डोंट नो, बट उसके लिए बहुत कन्फ्लिक्ट्स चलते हैं. लाइक रिव्यूज टू रिव्यूज डिपेंड करता है. किसी के लिए वो बहुत बढ़िया काम करता है, किसी के लिए वो है. सो आई डोंट नो अबाउट दैट. सो मैंने अपनी मनी उस पर स्प्लर्ज नहीं करी. जिसपे मुझे थोड़े से भी मिक्स रिव्यूज दिख जाते हैं ना, तो आई जस्ट अवॉइड इट. लाइक या तो मुझे लेना ही लेना तो मैं ले ही लेती हूँ, मैं किसी के रिव्यूज नहीं सुनती. बट उसके लिए मैं भी थोड़ा वो थी, तो इसीलिए मैंने वो ट्राई नहीं किया. सो इफ यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर अ गुड फाउंडेशन इन जनरल, चाहे हाई हैंड हो चाहे ड्रग स्टोर हो, तो ये ले लो. इट्स वेरी नाइस. एंड जो दूसरा फाउंडेशन मैं दिखाने जा रही हूँ, ये मेरा करंट फेवरेट फाउंडेशन है. लिटरली फिट भी नहीं है, डोंट वरी. इतनी बार फिट भी नहीं दिखाऊंगी क्योंकि मैं खुद उसको दिखा दिखा के बोर हो गई हूँ, तो आप तो ऑब्वियसली हो गए होगे ना। तो हम बात कर रहे हैं, like we are talking about Physicians Formula, the healthy foundation. This is how it looks like. First of all, तो यार I really like the applicator of this. Like see, it's a huge doe foot applicator. And oh my god, this is something out of this world. Like you just bounce your beauty blender twice and you're blended. Like it's blended into your skin like magic. Like literally magic. And I really enjoy this. Like मैं literally like मौके ढूंढती हूँ इसको यूज करने के लिए, क्योंकि obviously you cannot use same foundation daily because आपको भी थोड़ी वैरायटी चाहिए, तो मैं ये नहीं यूज कर सकती. बट अगर किसी को सिर्फ एक फाउंडेशन लेना है which is medium coverage, go for this. It's amazing. So now I will be talking about some setting sprays. The first one I have is from Faces Canada All-Time Pro Makeup Fixer. This is how it looks like. It's really nice. तो थोड़ा spray इसका थोड़ा dense है. It's not finely like melted, I would say, but it sets your makeup really nicely. It makes your makeup really dewy. It makes your makeup little last longer. What else you want from a setting spray, right? So I think if you're finding like a good drugstore setting spray, then you should definitely get your hands on this. And another one is from Wet n Wild. It's their Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water. I use it as a setting spray as well, and I really do enjoy it. I use it today. Obviously setting spray कैसे दिखाऊंगी ना, पता नहीं कैसी बातें करती हूँ मैं. It smells a little odd. दो ये कोकम्बर है, बट ये कोकम्बर जैसा स्मेल तो करता नहीं है पहली बात. But it's so fine and mist. It just sets up your makeup so well. So I really do like it. So yeah, ये 3-in-1 है. You can use it as a primer and all that jazz. But मुझे quantity थोड़ी सी कम लगती है. It's 45 ml, which is pretty less for a setting spray, I think. So yeah. Next we go up to primers. Primers are something that your girl is obsessed with. If you have been coming from Instagram, you know that I have a real obsession with primers. Primers mostly मेरे पास high end है, या वो primers हैं जो available नहीं है इंडिया में. ठीक है, मैं NYX के primers I really do like, but मुझे लगता है कि NYX के primers थोड़े से expensive है. They are like above 1400-1500. So इसीलिए I just thought of not including them in. So yeah, इसलिए मेरे पास कम primers हैं, लेकिन मैं बहुत सारे primers include कर सकती थी. I do have 2 really nice drugstore primers line up, but I haven't tried them. So let's see if they will go well. I will recommend it to you guys. So the first one is the Miss Claire Professional Primer. It's like basically a pore filling primer, silicone based primer. It helps in filling up your pores. Your pores look super smooth, super filled, and your makeup looks much more flawless. So if you are from oily or combination skin, you should definitely get your hands on this. Then I have a oil which I use it as a primer. It's the rose gold oil from the Beauty Co. I really enjoy this. Though lag nahi raha ki I enjoy this, but I seriously enjoy this. You need like the tiniest amount of this, like 1 drop either, 1 drop either, 1 drop center, and you're sorted. It just spreads like very nicely, I would say. And I really like. Okay, the gold particles are not that dense, but I used today for Sally one. I have the like 5 ml one, so I've used it couple of times. मुझे ना उसकी hype समझ नहीं आई है अभी तक, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा कुछ changing नहीं लगा, क्योंकि I am a sort of person who have tried so many primers, like so many good primers. Like my primer drawer is filled. I wish I can just show you that how many primers I have. So it coming from like a primer expert, I would say. I'm not just saying myself an expert, but शायद primers मैंने बहुत सारे try किए हैं, so I can compare between. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है it's overhyped, and वो यहीं रखा है. Let me show you. This is how it looks like, and this was for 2800 rupees, and I don't see the value, to be honest. Like it should do something. The blur one is pretty good, I would say. Volcanic वाला मैंने आज तक use नहीं किया. Unicorn वाला is okay. और rose gold वाले में थोड़ी सी odd सी smell है, but it's okay यार. लिया है तो use करूँगी मैं. So I really like this. If you're finding like a good facial oil or a good oil underneath your makeup, then it just makes your face look super smooth, super flawless. And एक trick जो मैंने I've seen Shreya Jain's video also, like she posted about her base makeup that she uses oil underneath her foundation. But I usually go for oils with my matte foundations because matte foundations oil पे बहुत जल्दी glide हो जाते हैं. So I like to use my oils with my matte foundation. इसको particular नहीं है, but yeah, this is like what I like to do. Okay, so then I have like a Swiss Beauty Drop and Glow Illuminator, जो mostly मैं foundation के नीचे use करना पसंद करती हूँ, like for that extra dewy finish. Like a video coming up on my IGTV super soon on how to achieve that dewy base with all the tips and tricks. So go follow me right there if you haven't, because dewy skin का राज वहाँ जानने को मिलेगा. So yeah, I really like it. Like it outperforms really nicely. It spreads evenly onto your face. It's not patchy, it's not blotchy. It just makes your foundation, like gives you that glow within, and it looks supremely nice. I think you should definitely get your hands. It's 250 or 350, worth every penny, I think. So yeah. Okay, now I talk about some of the contour products. The first one has to be the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. This is how it looks like. It has a contour powder and a setting powder. You can see that I have literally a dent over both of these, and I freaking love these products. They are like $4.99, I think. So it's something amazing. Like I haven't seen something so affordable. I have a Natio, whatever you like to call. It's like a 3 kit. You have like a bronzer, contour, and like 2 shades of contour or bronzer, whatever you wanna call yaar. Whatever you wanna call. So कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है ज़्यादा फ्रैंक हो जाती हूँ. Do let me know. बदतमीज तो नहीं लगती है मेरे पे. हाँ, प्रोडक्ट पे आते हैं. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मेरा ब्यूटी चैनल नहीं, मेरा कोई मीम चैनल या फनी वीडियो चैनल शुरू हो जाता है कभी कभी, बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ आई एम. लाइक दैट्स हाउ आई जस्ट कम आउट. लाइक ये जो 1 साल पहले वाली कनिका ये कभी ना कर पाती कैमरे पे, जो आज ये कनिका कर रही है. कितनी बड़ी वीडियो बना लेती हूँ यार सच्ची. देखो प्रोडक्ट देखो. तो आई हैव अ Natio kit which is what it has, like 3 things. Highlighter, very nice. The palette is supremely nice, but I think it's little overpriced. But I really enjoy this. You should definitely get your hands if you're finding like a good contour settings powder. Definitely try this off, girl. The next thing that I have is this Nykaa foundation stick. You have seen me using this like what, 1,000 times, because this was the only cream contour product I had back in the day. I love it, yaar. I love it. I am even planning to take buy my foundation shade as well in this one, because I really like the formulation. It blends like into your skin like magic. It's one of the best contour products that I own. If I'm saying this, I mean it seriously. So you should definitely get your hands on this. Seen a couple of people comparing this with the Hoola, but I haven't used the Hoola bronzer stick. I really want to try, but this one is. And the next bronzer I have is from Makeup Revolution, जो थोड़ा mini है, but I have hit pan on this, which says a lot about the product, because I think मेरे लिए एक product को खत्म करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, चाहे वो mini क्यों ना हो. इसलिए I go for mini products, क्योंकि मुझे पता है मैं वो खत्म कर दूंगी, और अभी तक मैंने कोई मिनी भी नहीं खत्म किया, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. तो मेरे लिए ये चीज़ बहुत बड़ी बात है. लाइक ब्रॉन्जर, ब्लशर, इनको खत्म करना तो यार मेरा लाइक ड्रीम बन गया है इस टाइम पे. सो आई कीप ऑन यूजिंग दीज अगैन एंड अगैन so that I can finish them up. So it's one of the best bronzers, I think. It's very light. If you are kind of a person like, अगर मैं full face of makeup कर रही हूँ और मेरे को बाहर जाना है, so I go for these kind of bronzers. I'm not like a person who likes to do like that harsh contouring. Okay, I just forgot to mention a concealer. I have NYX HD concealer. I think this concealer concealer is extremely underrated. I don't know, I don't see people talking about this, but this is one of the best concealers after what Fit Me I have used. This is so good, you guys. This is a full coverage, not even medium coverage like Fit Me, but I do love Fit Me a lot. But if you're the kind of person who likes full coverage foundation concealer, you should definitely try this one out. If you're wondering, this is how it looks like. Okay, and I have some blushers and highlighters for you. I have both from Wet n Wild. Really fan of you, मैं Wet n Wild की. I have the Wet n Wild highlighting powder Mega Glow ones. Oh my god, I recommend this to each and every one of you. If you DM me, this is the highlighter that I recommend. और ये मेरा टूट भी गया है, like you can see. This is how it looks like, and I'll give you a quick swatch because highlighter swatch के बिना कुछ समझ नहीं आता. This is how it looks like. It's a beautiful sheer highlighter. You can definitely build it off to the blinding thing, but I'm a sort of person who likes to keep my highlighters minimal when I'm not shooting, at least. ये पूरी तरह टूट गया है. If you are finding like a good sheer highlighter, I know most of you will think that why I haven't included Molten Gold. Yeah, Molten Gold highlighter from Maybelline. Personally, it's little something that doesn't work for me. Like I've tried a lot कि वो मेरे लिए अच्छा लगे मेरे पे, but I somehow feel that it shows up a lot of my texture onto my skin. I know this that highlighter is a cult favorite, I know that, but I don't know, for some reason it doesn't work for me. Like I do use it, but it's okay, like okay, I would say. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing is again from Wet n Wild, a Halo blush lighter. This is how it looks like. Such a gorgeous product, you guys. Such a gorgeous product. You should definitely get your hands. Mine is in the shade After Sex Glow, but they have like 3 shades, and I'm literally planning to pick all of them up because they are so beautiful. The blusher has a little bit of glitter reflex as well, but it looks so beautiful and so merged into the highlighter. It's amazing, amazing. I can definitely compare the formulation of the highlighter and the blusher with Becca Champagne Pop. I'm wearing it right now. I love Becca Champagne Pop, you guys know that, and I love this freaking thing as well. This is something amazing. And the last on our list has to be Essence Silky Touch Blush. If you're wondering, Essence is available on Flipkart and it's F assured, so it's all authentic. I've been buying a lot of Essence stuff from there, and they have 2 shades in their blushes, but वो दोनों out of stock. I'm just waiting for them to stock in. But अगर आपको कहीं और से Essence मिलता है, ये मैंने Nykaa से लिया था, और Nykaa तो पता नहीं क्यों stock में नहीं लाता Essence. I don't know why. This is how it looks like, and this is how the shade. It's in the shade Natural Beauty. As the name suggests, it's very natural. It's very sheer. Like you can build this up to extent. It looks beautiful, you guys. Beautiful. Something very natural. Something what Kanika Kapahi likes. So you should definitely try it. Like ये तो ले लो, like literally ये बहुत natural है, and if you are someone who likes to wear heavy blushes, उनको भी ये पसंद आएगा because कभी तो आप लोग light blush लगाते होगे. Definitely try this off. So that's up for today's video. We're gonna pack up for today, and we might sleep today. Or we'll see what we'll do today. But obviously I'll tell my Instagram what I will do today. So याद रखना जब भी अपलोड करूँगी कि क्या किया था उस दिन. So और कमेंट भी करना. I would love to know that. So yes, that's that for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and do let me know how you guys liked this whole bedroom of mine. I was not feeling like sitting there because मेरा जो वो setup है वो बहुत congested है, and मैं कभी कभी बहुत परेशान हो जाती हूँ. So I like to sit. I thought of sitting in here, and I think it's looking good. And वहाँ पे शुरू की वीडियो में ज्वेलरी बॉक्स रखा था, उसके लिए प्लीज माइंड कर देना, आगे से नहीं होगा, प्रॉमिस. So yes, do let me know how you guys like my room view. And ये setup भी कैसा लगा, प्लीज बताना. थोड़ी lightings भी change करी हैं, थोड़ा setup change किया है. Do let me know in the comment section below. So yes, that's that for today's video. So that's that. बहुत हो गया, and subscribe कर देना channel को please, and bell button को भी प्रेस कर देना प्लीज, ताकि कोई भी अपलोड मिस ना हो. Instagram पे फॉलो करना तो बिल्कुल ही भूलना ही नहीं है यार. अभी जाओ, बंद करो वीडियो को, लिंक को क्लिक करो और जाओ फॉलो करो फटाफट. we are soon going to hit 20k subscribers. We are soon going to hit 20k followers on my Instagram, which is huge, you guys. So go follow me there and make your girl reach on 20k. So yes, that's that for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please thumbs up देना मत भूलना. पता नहीं कितनी बार बोल चुकी हूँ. Okay guys, bye bye.